So today I'm going to be making my own mini smoothie. And this is how I feel right now. So excited to make it. Dad, what is that raggedy dog doing?
Are you licking my watermelon? Man, hey. Hey you, what's going on over here? You biting the watermelon?
She's like, so yummy.
You busted. You're busted. Alright.
So now we're gonna open our beauty. See the top. It's very mini, kid size. Beautiful, has the little on button. So obviously we're gonna open it. So if you have these ingredients and you have a blender or a mini blender like ours, you can make this recipe with us. So first, obviously go in your freezer. Open our beautiful freezer. First, we're gonna use frozen blueberries. Open.
So these are wild blueberries, and these are some of the best blueberries you can get. So
Oh crap.
these are slightly different than the ones you get at the like the store in the tray. These are wild blueberries, so these is the traditional ones. So the wild ones, they if you cut them open, they should be just blue.
You need to be careful, so
Yeah.
all of those stuff's gonna fall out.
Yeah, so these are the best ones that you can get. And they usually only sell them frozen, so get wild blueberries if
God,
you can.
those are freezing.
That bag is about $12.
So at least put like this much so we could play like taste like a little bit of blueberries. Next, frozen strawberries. I have to put my hand in here because chunko. Please put like a little more, like this, like that much would be good at least. Next, the best part, you need
Cut the light on, make it brighter.
it.
Oh my goodness. Look at this. Yo! What's going on over here? Oh my
We're
god.
supposed to make a video of me and then all of a sudden this dog.
Get off my watermelon. That's a yellow one too. It's yellow on the inside.
So, what?
Yeah, got it yesterday.
What? Okay, let's continue.
Alright, so continuing. So
Get
what
your
you got right
mango.
there?
Mango.
Frozen mango, okay.
Put at least a couple. Oh god. Yeah, like 2 of them so you could, it was like a pineapple, like a tropical smoothie. Even though it's fall today. Wait, no, that's tough. This is the 22nd, yeah. So even though it's probably fall today, so, or tomorrow, I don't know. Next, to make it a smoothie, a little bit of water. So like, at least that should be good.
I am so proud of you. I can almost drop a tear. This is watching you make smoothies. I made these hundreds of times, and just to see you making your own smoothie, your first smoothie.
Now,
Proud of you, girl. You gonna use what you used before?
oh, frozen bananas.
Oh yeah, the frozen banana.
Never forget.
So yesterday was your very first smoothie you ever
Yes.
made?
I scared the crap out of her. So get a fork, cause if you have a mini blender like me, you gotta get a fork. If you have a big blender like the Vitamix over there, then you use the big stuff. But
Yeah, so we got frozen bananas
Yeah.
right here.
so grab your fork, cut as much as you want. I want this much, so. Or you could just grab it with your fingers. That should be good.
Alright.
Put in there, throw in there.
Banana.
Close it, obviously. Is she licking the floor? She was just licking the floor, I swear.
I'm done with her right now.
Then that's all the ingredients. Now we shut. So we shut it. Make sure you tight it good, just in case it like explodes. So now, see this little button?
The button? You forgot to do something.
Huh?
What you forget to do?
Oh, water. So just in case it does that, but I guess it's more water, I guess.
Yeah, you need a little water. You know.
It's good, right?
Yeah. So another thing you could do, you can add pineapple to this. It'll
Right
make
now
it
we don't
really
have
good. And then you can add, maybe like a date or two. Dates they're pretty sweet. So
We don't
yeah.
have none.
Yeah, no, we don't. So yeah,
Cause someone eats them all.
I sure do. There you go. Yeah, let me see how it looks. Do it again. Let me see how it looks. There you go. Yeah. See? That's a small blender, so it's like a little portable one. So when you put a lot of frozen ingredients, you gotta have some liquid on the bottom, so it'll really make it easy to blend.
Cream.
All right. So yeah.
Now
I mean,
it's taste test.
Can I get a little taste test? I mean,
Go ahead.
let me see. You want to pour it in like a little glass?
No.
Or you drink it like that?
Yes.
All right, let me see what you're working with. Let me see. It's nice and all right.
It's thick. It's thick.
Pretty good. Yeah, that's good. All right, girl.
Okay.
Check you out. Making your smoothies. All right, girl. So yeah. You see, you got trial and error. You forgot to put the water. Now you're gonna learn, and you're just gonna get better and better at making smoothies. So, there you have it. All right. So yeah, there you have it. Made her first smoothie, and I'm so proud parent, making her smoothie. Got anything else to say?
Yep, and if you keep making more smoothies, you will get better and better, just like my father, how we do like trillions of smoothies. Bye.
All right, guys. Peace.